Are you looking to discover the top products on AliExpress for your next business venture, or just curious about what's trending? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a series of strategies and tools that'll help you identify the best-selling items based on real-time sales data, customer interest, and emerging trends. Let's dive in. First, head to the AliExpress homepage and check out their top ranking section. This area is updated weekly and features the most popular products across various categories, based on factors like orders, followers, and wishlist additions. Whether you're into electronics, beauty products, or fashion, you'll find hot-selling categories right here. Additionally, take a peek at the top selection section, which highlights trending items currently flying off the virtual shelves. To get more detailed insights, consider using specialized product research tools like ZK Analytics and AMZ Scout. With ZK Analytics, you can search specific keywords like LED light and explore key metrics such as sales earnings and sell-through rates. For example, LED lights often show up with high earnings and strong sales performance. AMZ Scout also offers great data on trending AliExpress products, making it easy to identify winning items for drop shipping or resale. For more curated recommendations, turn to websites like SaleWho and Alaholic, which frequently publish lists of best-selling products on AliExpress. These lists often include product descriptions, pricing details, and profit potential when reselling on platforms like Amazon. Some popular items on these lists include crossbody bags, baby bottle warmers, and electric toothbrushes. These items are not only trending on AliExpress, but also have great resale potential. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to gauge a product's popularity is by checking its reviews and ratings. High ratings and positive customer feedback are often indicators of both quality and demand. Spend time browsing through product listings to find the items that have a strong reputation among buyers. These are likely to be bestsellers. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest can provide valuable insights into trending products. Many influencers showcase popular products that may not yet be listed as official bestsellers, but are quickly gaining traction. Keep an eye on what's trending in your niche, as social media can give you a heads up on emerging trends before they hit mainstream popularity. Last but not least, don't forget about seasonal trends. Certain products might see surges in demand around holidays or specific events. For example, during the holiday season, you might see a spike in sales for gift-related items. Keeping track of these seasonal fluctuations can help you identify products that will be in high demand at certain times of the year. By leveraging these strategies, exploring AliExpress top sections, using powerful product research tools, checking curated lists from trusted sources, analyzing reviews, monitoring social media, and staying alert to seasonal trends, you'll be equipped to spot the best-selling products on AliExpress with ease. Whether you're looking to dropship, expand your retail inventory, or just stay ahead of the trends, these tips will help you make informed decisions and boost your business success.